In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just looking to refine your design skills, understanding how to effectively use the pen tool can greatly enhance your workflow and creative output. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by navigating to Figma itself, which is a highly regarded collaborative interface design tool. If you're not familiar with it yet, Figma allows teams to work together in real time on all sorts of design projects, from websites to mobile apps and more. Now let's get to the point. Open your browser and head over to Figma's website. Once you're on Figma's homepage, locate the login button. It's typically at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Figma home screen. Here you'll find all your recent files and projects. From the Figma home screen, you'll want to access your design files. Look for the design option. It's usually visible and easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up your workspace where all the design magic happens. With your workspace open next, you'll want to focus on the tools available to you. On your left hand side there is a toolbar that houses everything you need. Look for an option labelled Creation Tools and click on it. The Creation Tools provide you access to a variety of functions that can help bring your design ideas to life. In the expanded Creation Tools menu, locate the Pen tool. The pen tool is a versatile feature in Figma that allows you to create shapes, paths, and custom vector designs with precision. Once you've found it, click on the pen tool to activate it. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating that the pen tool is now active and ready to use. Using the pen tool, you can start creating custom shapes and paths directly on your design canvas. Click on your canvas to create a starting anchor point, then move your mouse to where you want the path to continue, and click again to create a new point. You can create straight lines by simply clicking, or create curves by clicking and dragging. The more points you create, the more complex your shapes and paths can become. And that's it, you've learned how to access and begin using the pen tool in Figma. With practice, the pen tool will become an indispensable part of your design toolkit, allowing you to express your creative ideas more freely and precisely. Happy designing, and don't forget to explore and experiment for the best results.